All the rich men and all the wealthy man that you see today, all of them owns a business. They have a business. They also invested in a lot of businesses, if you don't know it today. So if you want to achieve your financial independence, the only route and the only thing that you can do right now is to start a business. If you cannot start a business, invest in other businesses. You want to be an entrepreneur, you can also acquire the skills because your 9 to 5 jobs cannot give you that. If you like, work hard, save money, and all that, you will be living from paycheck to paycheck. You want to live life at your own terms, travel around the world, do the things that pleases you, pay your monthly bills, and get free out of debt. Business is the way to go. The only thing that you need to do is to find your niche and try to know the kind of business that you want to go into or invest in and become an expert in that. And before you know, you start making money and cashing out and be solving your problem. Live life at your own terms. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you 8 businesses that you can start right now and be financially independent. It doesn't take time, it doesn't hurt. You use your money for a good reason, guys. Come on, let's dive into this video. Number one business that you can start right now is a logistics and delivery service that can help you to achieve your financial independence. This business right now, because of the online business that is going on, flying, booming everywhere, it has made this business to be a lucrative one. And if you're looking up to start this business, you can do that. How do I start a logistics business? You can join all the business WhatsApp group, Facebook WhatsApp group, and Instagram business groups, and introduce yourself as a logistics personnel. And make sure you're not going to run away with people's properties or people packages because loyalty counts on this particular business. Once they trust you, you're a gold. You have hit a gold mine or a jackpot because there are lots and lots of packages to be delivered and they need somebody that they can trust, someone that is loyal to do all these things for them. And who is the person? You, of course. Introduce yourself and give them a fair price on how you can deliver their packages to their different locations. Then the next one is to collaborate. Collaborate with people that are into the logistics business. If you think that you cannot do it by yourself, you can collaborate with them, work with them, and they'll be giving you commission for any business that you bring for them. That is how people are making money today doing logistics business. The next one is drop shipping business. This is a business that many people have been cashing out on and is one of the laziest way of making money today. Drop shipping doesn't waste time. How do I make money doing drop shipping? All you need to do is to find a unique product and market that product. It's just not a product because there are lots of products flying. So you need to find something that is very, very unique. Show us how it's doing. You can market it on TikTok, market it on Facebook or Instagram. And once you find a buyer, communicate with your seller. This one, you're not dealing with any inventory. You're not even doing without money. With money, I mean, you might not even have money to start this drop shipping. Just get ready to make good videos and market these products. And once the deal is set, you now send message to the manufacturer or the supplier or the distributor, and they will now forward it to the seller, to the consumer. I mean, and the person will now pay, and you now get commission. People are cashing out, making money, living in their own terms, doing drop shipping business. The next business that you can start today is online food vendor. This business can set you up for your financial stability and your financial independence. Because right now, a lot of people are ordering food. You can start food ordering, cooking. If you're not interested in cooking food, you can also start content creation about food, post videos about food. You can also start diet programs, so write diet programs and diet plans of how people wants to eat. People that are watching their weight and people that are looking for, people that are sick that wants to, recuperate and get well soon. This is what people are doing. You can also write courses, do online food training, either by audio or by a video, audio visual, anyone that you choose to do. All these things are making people money. And once you start that, I tell you, the sky is your limit. You're not going to even have time for yourself. Right now, I don't even have time for myself because of the kind of business I am doing. I'm choked. I'm the one giving myself time of how I want to do my thing. So you can't force me, but I have to deliver and make sure that thing gets to you running my e-commerce business. The next business that you can start and be financially independent is website and graphic design. Online business today, because of it, everybody wants their business to be visible. And the only way that people can see your business is on the website. Social media today can even fade away, who knows? But we don't pray for that. So owning a website and you know how to do it. A lot of people want to own their own website, and you are the one that can do that. So you need to be an expert. So that once you design something, someone asks who designed this thing for you, and I'll call your name straight. And now you have another customer that wants to invest in you. From there, you can even have workers, to work for you once you start little. If you have money to start big, it depends on you guys. It's in your hands. You know how to do graphic designs. A lot of entrepreneur, business people, customers, everybody wants to do this because this is the age that we are and it's making money for people. So you can as well start doing all of this. Anyone that you choose, pick a niche. And oh my God, you're not going to regret this. The next business that you can start that can help you to become financially independent is mini importation business, buying and selling. Mini importation business is not all about buying and selling. Let me show you something. You can start this business by being a supplier or a distributor. How do I do this? You can go to supermarkets, go to churches, go to hotels and market a unique product. Let them know that you can bring this product to their doorstep. You can even start it without money. And once you deposit money for that business, maybe you have a sample of that business, invest in yourself as well. Get that product and show them. Excuse me. And when they deposit money, use that deposit money and get the product. And on arrival to now give them all their products, they will give you your balance. People have been doing this. I have done this thing before and it works. And when you are going, make sure you are looking very, very nice. Make sure you are looking very, very good and presentable so that they will not see you as someone that can take their money and go. Are you ready to do business? Are you ready to have money and take care of your bills? No more, oh God, I'm broke, I'm broke, I'm broke. Nothing like that. You will be making money, settling for something that you are very, very sure that you can do. The next business is social media management. Social media management is another business that you can start and be financially, you know, independent. A lot of celebrities, clients, individuals, and even politicians and businessmen have online business. They don't even know or have time on how to manage their business. And you can be that one if you have the skills. You can even take skills so that you'll be able to manage them. Present yourself as someone that have the quality of, running their business online for them. What is your job, guy? Then your job is to create content for them, run ads for them, sponsored ads, communicate with their clients, and let them see everything. And before you know it, there will be results. Let them see the results. And you can also market for one or more person. Market your business, promote your business, and people will start seeing you. If you don't do any of this thing, nobody will know what you are doing. Sometimes I receive messages. Do you have this? I want to buy this. I want to buy this. Sometimes you don't even know. Someone will tell me, this person gave me your number, this, that. You'll be like surprised because you are consistently doing that kind of a thing. And not today, when you do something today, the next day you will not do it again. Before you start making money, cashing out on something, this is something that you must have been doing continuously. People have seen your consistency on that particular thing and they know that you can deliver. The next business that you can start, I can guarantee you your financial independence, is selling digital content. like publishing ebooks, audiovisual materials, online training, and all that. Publishing ebooks look for platforms, that where you can sell your books. They are everywhere. You will know. And one thing about good books, when you write a good book, it will sell itself. Produce a book today, and even in the next 10 years, if it's a good book or best-selling book, it might even turn out to be best-selling. You will not know the power that you have until you try that thing. You can write and publish that book. Even in the next 10 years, if that book is very, very good, you will still be making money with that particular ebook. People don't know about this, but I'm telling you right now, like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, that book is still selling up till now. People are still reading that book and they're still buying it. So, guys, just like I said, find your own niche and use that opportunity and start making money and stop complaining. Get to work, set to work. The last one, but not the least, is on information marketing. Information marketing today is one of the ways that you can as well make money and become financial stable or independent. A lot of people have different information that they don't even know that they have. Just find your skill. Any information that you have can be sold to make money. Arrange yourself, package yourself. You can as well go and take courses, online courses. It doesn't take time, and you now package yourself to give out that information for a token. Assuming 10 people, buys that information that you're selling for a day, or 2 people, or 5 people, or in a month, you're selling up to 30 or 50. And who knows? Because there can be miracle. And you sell up to 100. My God. So you can start doing training and all that. If you have those information, you can start making money with that. If you enjoy watching my videos, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button so that anytime I post any video, you will be the first to get it. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. He's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you guys. Bye bye and see you next time. Bye.